We saw the European Central Bank yesterday. They downgraded their forecast for the Eurozone, expecting the Eurozone economy to contract throughout the whole of next year. We've seen downgrades to the UK growth for 2013, and now, of course, the Bundesbank have really, more than anything else, just come in line with other forecasters in downgrading the German economy's growth prospects as well. And let's face it, there is still a lot of austerity in the Eurozone across the periphery, as well as those nations such as Germany. Merkel plans to impose further austerity in Germany in 2013, and that's ahead of her election towards the end of that year. So it's quite a risk to take. So really it doesn't come as a huge surprise. I think that we're certainly not going to do her any favours. I think for the German electorate, the most important thing is that Germany is not just writing a blank cheque to the likes of Greece, Spain, Portugal, Ireland, those countries that have been bailed out. Obviously Spain hasn't formally been bailed out, but for those countries that have requested formal bailouts from the Eurozone, the fact that she has refrained from sort of outright writing off of debts and things like that, that's the key issue for German voters at the moment. She hasn't done that yet, so she has that to her advantage. But as mentioned, of course, these economic numbers are certainly no good, don't do her cause much good. Well, I think it's quite ambitious, and certainly if you look at the growth forecast for other countries and the Eurozone as well, in the UK, various forecasters are thinking that the UK could grow as much as 2% in 2014, so 1.9% in Germany looks ambitious as well. Let's not forget and underestimate the German economy. Of course, it is the biggest in the Eurozone and one of the biggest in the world, and it is now less reliant on its trading partners within the Eurozone. A vast proportion, or at least a growing proportion, of its exports now go beyond the Eurozone. They go to emerging markets, like China in particular is a key exporter for Germany. So if the Chinese economy remains strong and manages to avoid a slowdown in 2013, 2014, then yes, potentially you could see the economy grow as much as that in 2014, but it's still, as I say, it's quite an ambitious estimate.